Hi everyone, in this tutorial I'll be taking you through how you can retrieve the password of your Wi-Fi that you're connected to using command prompt. Suppose you forgot your password but your computer is connected onto that Wi-Fi, and then probably you want to connect another device or another PC onto that network but you don't know the password. You can use a computer that is already connected onto that Wi-Fi network, retrieve the password, and you can use it on other devices. So what we do first is you come to the search bar here, type in command prompt, click on it, and here we're going to use a command called netsh, which stands for Network Shell in Full. It is a scripting utility in Windows that enables Windows display the network configurations on your computer. So we type in netsh and then type in WLAN, which is Wide Local Area Network, and then we want to show the passwords. We want to show the profiles or the networks, the Wi-Fi's that our computer has been connecting to of recent, and the network that it is currently connected to. So we type in netsh WLAN show profile, click enter. So you can see that a number of Wi-Fi's are listed, and this here, it shows that the computer is connected to those ones before, and then currently it is connected to my neighbor Sax. So we want to retrieve the password of my neighbor Sax. What we do, just type in netsh WLAN show profile, then the name of that Wi-Fi. So we have it here. You just copy and paste, and then type in key equal clear. And first increase the size, then hit enter. So here you can see that they will give you details of that network. They will show you the version, the type, and the connectivity settings, the SSID name, the radio type, the security settings, the authentication, cipher, security key, and in this we are most interested in the key content. Key content is actually the password of that network. So you can see here we have key content as 1 up to 0. So this is our network. So suppose you don't want to list all these details here. What you do, you just have to type in the whole command netsh WLAN show profile name, and then specify the name of that network, and then type in key is equal to clear, and then here you type a pipe, and then type in find open quotations, and then type in key content, and then press enter. So here you will see that it will only bring the key content, which is our password that we are looking for. So here 120 is the password of my neighbor Sax, the Wi-Fi that my computer is currently connected to. And this is how we find or retrieve passwords of Wi-Fi networks on our computers. I hope this has been informative. Please subscribe, hit the thumbs up button, and also share. Thank you.